Did you ever roll over dogs?
Poo.
Balls?
Oh, it happened the other day.
Yeah.
Oh, we're on a walk and I got my water bottle. I was trying to swill it off as much as I could. Come on, we're not playing sticks.
You worry about other dogs with you, and it's really funny, isn't it?
Come on then.
Oh, you see those?
Let's go. Yeah, he just wants to play all the time. He's 11 years old and he never grew up. Just still a baby. Yeah.
Doing well.
So he's only young, isn't he? Like, I don't know. You can see him crack a puppy still. Come on. Come on then. Come on, you. I'm trying to find that stick. You've lost it. Oh, you found it.
With his lovely owner, who's going all the way. It's brilliant. Walking wheels on.
Oh, he runs me over a lot as well. When we're walking on a lead, I'm like, oh, trying to get away from you. Come on. Come on.
It just shows dogs can
What's
still
this one then?
love their life.
Come on.
They think about this, didn't do anything else.
I'm going to fish. Come on, boss.
Oh, it's interesting.
He just wants to play fetch with everything he can.
Oh, we're getting some. Isn't it great though the first time they get it up?
Oh yeah, like I say, I opened the front door and he just went flying out the front door, ran over my foot, crashed into the car. I was like, whoa, slow down. The person that donated them today,